Okay, hello, dear friends. Here is a question, and I have not seen it before. Some of the questions I have seen it before, and I already know how to solve. But this one, let's try to solve it together. I didn't preview, there is no rehearsal, anything. The class president choose 200 students at random from each of the junior and senior classes at her high school. Each student was asked how many hours of homework he or she completed in an average school night. The results are shown in the table below. So number of hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4, 5 hours, junior class, senior class. There is one important information you need to know, that is, altogether of junior class, 200 students. 105, 155, 190, 200, 100, 200. Yes. So each class, each individual class, junior class, all this number of hours, 200 students. Senior class, 200 students. There are a total of 600 students in junior class. So it's a random chosen. Out of 600 junior students, 200 was chosen to answer this question. And 400 students in the senior class. Out of 400 students, there are 200. These students are chosen. What is the median number of hours of homework in an average night for all the students surveyed? So to see the median number, usually you need to know is the number of 1 hour, how many students. We will do a very honest way of solving this problem. So you have 55 in 1 hour, and 2 hours, 150, 50, 55, 150. Oh no, 1 hour. Okay, I got it wrong. Yes. Let me put it into 1 hour. 2 hour, we have 150. 3 hour, we have 110. And 4 hour, we have 70. 5 hour, we have 15 students. So around all these numbers, the median of this number is following into this is 100, 205, and this one is 195. So 195, the median of this number is in 200, and this 200 fall into this group, fall into the group of 2 hour. Okay, so if we do the this is the statistic of counting the number. So 55 1 students, 1 hour students, and then until 55. Okay, and then 150 hour, 150 students, 2. That's 55 students, 150, and then 3. We have 110 students, and then 4. We have 100 have 70 students, and 5. We have 15 students. So the median number of these is at 200. And these 200 fall into the category of 2 hours. So the average night is not medium of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you melange all these number, if you mix all these number and divide it and find right in the middle is 3, that is not right, because this number of hours does not represent the number of students. The number of students is embedded into the combination of these numbers. Okay? Okay, so the answer is B. The answer is A. 2 hours is the students. Okay, based on the survey data, which of the following statement accurately compare the expected total number of students for each class? Okay, total number of students for each class who complete 4 hours of homework. So total number of students complete whole a 4 hour. So in junior class 35, in senior class 35, but make sure that they are not from the same pool. For junior class, it's 35 students, but it's out of 600 students. And senior class, 35 students, it's, 35 students out of junior class, it's 200, but the pool, the total number of students is 600. And this is the proportion out of 235 students. But the total students is 400. Okay, so in that case, you can roughly know senior students are more than, junior students are more than senior students, right? Isn't it true? It's always have a lower grade, bigger lower grade, and a smaller higher grade, right, in any school. So junior class must be more. You should first establish this sort. The total number of students who complete 4 hours of homework in junior class is 35, more than senior class. This sounds right. The total number of students who complete 4 hours of homework in senior class is 35, more than junior. No, this is not true, because they have less students. The total number of students who complete in junior class is 200 more. No way. No way. This cannot be 200 more than senior class. And the total number of students who complete 4 hours of homework is expected to be same in both classes. See, this is the same, but the pool of the base of pool is not the same. So what we can do, we can almost establish the first is the right answer, and we need to calculate. So out of 200 students, let's say junior, out of 200 students, there are 35 students do 4 hours of homework. How about 400 students? They have, junior is 600 students. So how many students they have, right? To do 4 hour homework. Senior, 200 students do 35 to 4 hours. And they have a total of 400 students. How many senior do they have? So this one we exchange into Ju, this is C, junior, senior, easier. And on the left side, the proportion is the same. So 600 to junior is 400 to senior. 3, 2. I made it a little bit complicated. So So junior is one portion more than one portion more than senior. So let's say one portion is 35, and junior will be 35 times 3, and two portion is senior. Senior start with 35 with 2. So this number minus the below number, so equal to 135. So 35 is the answer. You can, I made it a little bit complicated. I try to go a short way. It's through this you can just find out the number of students. 1, 3. So junior is 3 times 35. So it's 105. And senior is 1, 2, 2 times 35. So it's 70. 105 minus equal 35, right? So the answer is A. Junior has more students, 35 more students to do 4 hours of homework. Gosh, imagine kids do 5 hours of homework in an average school day. They finish school at 5 o'clock, no eating, no drinking, no nothing, and finish work at 10 o'clock in the evening. Take out 1 hour, eating time, dinner time, then they finish at 11. If the parent is kind enough to give the kids some personal time, to give the kids some regulation time to find themselves time, let's say 1 hour, then they need to sleep at 12. There's no life. Not right. Let's read this question, the equation of circle P. In the equation of circle, it's a circle. The circle name is P. In the xy plane, can be represented as x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y equal negative 9. What is the radius of the circle? So here we have a function. And this is a function with 2 variables and with to the 2 degrees. And we know this is a function of a circle, but this is not a circle in the standard form of circle. So we need to change this form to make it more visible. How do we change the form? We start by copying this question. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y equal negative 9. Did we copy it right? Yes, we did. So let's take a look. We will need to change into this circle form. X minus x squared minus 6x plus 9. Do you understand why I plus 9? And then minus 9. You plus 9, you need to get rid of 9. Plus y squared plus 8y plus 16. You already add up 16. Now you need to get rid of the 16 so that I did not change anything. I add 16, I minus 16. I didn't change anything. I give you money, I take money back away. Here, I add up 9, and then I get rid of this 9. So I didn't change anything. I was just teasing you, give you some money, $9, and then I take it away. Okay? I give you $16, and then I take it away. So I did not change anything. So from beginning to the end, there is no change at all. Okay. So this one we can change into x minus 3 square. You know this. This is the square function. What do we call it, right? This is the square formula. Plus y plus 4 square. And then we will move negative 9, get rid of the negative 9 from left to the right side. And the negative 16 move to the right side, become positive 16. So this will be the radius square. Now we get to know the square of radius is 16, and the radius is 4. The answer is B, not me. The answer is B. What is the radius of the circle? It's B. 4 is the radius.